So be it, Jedi.
Hello guys, this is the demo for my chest box. This is not my final chest box. This one I made 2 years ago for a Halloween party, but I think it was pretty good for the time. It's made out of paper and resin, so I think it's pretty good, but the good stuff is right here in the back. This is the light setup. This is the power switch, a 9-volt battery, and right here you can see the button to change between sequences, the trinket card from Adafruit, and this is it. I'll turn it on and I'll give you the demo. Just turn it on and you'll see a boot sequence inspired in the Imperial theme, and then it starts with the ESB sequence. You can tell it started because these pilot lights turn on. I like them with lights. If you don't like them, you can take them away. So that's the ESB sequence I came up with. I put them two together to make them just one, because that's how I thought I would like it best. You can change it if you like. So to change sequence, just press the button, keep it pressed until the cycle finishes. Then you'll see these pilot lights blink and you'll know you have changed sequence. There it is. So now that's the Return of the Jedi sequence. And if I press the button down again, you'll see the next sequence. That's my Night Rider sequence. It's a little slow, but it is in sync with the respirator sound. So that's how I like it. You can change it if you want. I have another custom sequence, which is like a breathing inspired. The idea of breathing in and breathing out. It's also synced with the respirator sound.
A long time ago, in a galaxy
And then I have another one. And this one is a heartbeat pulse. That's the idea of it. Like a heart thumping. You know, pum pum. Pum pum. Pum pum. Again, I tried to sync it with the respirator sound. And that's it. You push it again. You go back to ESB. So, I hope you like it. And cheers. Enjoy. See you next time.